Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. I have two really good sales to tell you guys about. I wanted to get this video out super quick. So the first one is from Mary Maxim. Just go to marymaxim.com to their regular site. Type in any of their club subscriptions. I think if you just put in clubs or kit clubs, anything like that, it'll bring up like your crochet of the month club and your quarterly Afghan club, all of that. And then pick any one of the clubs. So as a for instance, I grabbed the sock club. So I just grabbed the sock club on here. And then when you scroll down to the bottom, it'll tell you the first month is free. And it is good on every one of their subscription clubs, as far as I can tell. I have no idea how long this is going to last, but you get the first month free and you pay shipping and handling, which is $5. Yeah, I'm looking on here real quick and I do not see anything where it indicates how long this is going to last. So you might want to pop on there real quick and grab yourself something. If you've wanted to try one of their kits before, I love their kits. I get the Crochet of the Month Club and I get the quarterly Afghan Club. And it looks like the quarterly clubs are included as well. So you can get a crochet or knit Afghan kit for $5 while this is going on. I can't see anywhere on here, and I'm looking just real quick while we're on the video. I cannot see anywhere on here how long this is going to be good for. But you can get multiple kits. I grabbed the sock kit and I grabbed the knit Afghan kit for $5. Are you kidding me? So yeah, just pop on there to Mary Maxim. It's MaryMaxim. I love their kits. You guys see my unboxings. I love their kits. I think as far as the kit club type things, not the fancy ones, you know, like Knit Crakes and Crochet Society, things like that. But that's a whole different level. But for these types of kits, I think Mary Maxim is by far the best. So jump on there. You have to subscribe, but as soon as you get your kit, go in and unsubscribe. If you don't, you know, if you don't want to keep going. That's my problem. I always want to keep going. And then the second thing that I ran into this morning, and these are going to go fast. In fact, you know, there's a chance that by the time this gets up, it'll already be gone. But I still wanted to give you the heads up about it. If you go online to Furls, where did it go? Where's my picture? If you go online to Furls, today only, well, not today only, until they're gone, they're having some seconds. So just go onto the Furls website, type in seconds, and it'll bring up, there's two of them. There's the Aries and the Virgo. They've got some seconds on both of those. So it's the acrylic hook, and they have two kinds of seconds. The one is when the coloration is off a little bit. Who cares? And on the other kind, it is the sizing can be off. And I have bought those in the past where it said the sizing was off. And I thought, okay, I'll just get whatever size it ends up with. And it was perfect. The size was absolutely perfect. So, you know, take that as it is. But $12. So you can get either one of these two hooks for $12, which, as you guys know, that's incredible. I think that's half of what they normally are. It's been a while since I have bought a Mary Maxim hook at full price because I always get a deal. I always get a sale. I know they're spendy. I like the acrylic hooks the best of all of them. You know what? When I just opened the site, it took me right to the seconds. So I don't think you're going to have any problem at all finding them. Streamline resin hooks is what they're called. Normally $24. Yeah, so they're half off right now. But it's just those two colors. So anyway, that's my big surprise sale stuff that popped up on me today. I hope you guys will pop in. If you want one of those Furls hooks, you got to go quick. They run out of sizes really, really fast. So go on there first and then pop over to Mary Maxim and grab one of those kits for you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.